Hello guys, time to harvest. See? My gunting and basket. Grace, help mommy here, Grace. Oh my God. Ooh, ang laki na guys. Wow, thank you Lord. Ang laki na ng cucumber. Here you go guys. I just wanna share cucumber fresh in the garden. Gracie, come here girl. You wanna see? Yeah, say hi. In the basket. May video there. Huh? Oh. See? Ang
The
laki
bees are
na.
out doing their job.
Oh. There's another one.
Making us more cucumbers.
Yeah. Another one. Big. Here you go, guys. Mag-model muna tayo sa cucumber. Oops. Nagtatago, guys, eh. Ang laki na guys, oh. Makalibre na. Hindi na kailangan bumili. Oh, come here, girl. You wanna see? Here, you wanna see? Here, you wanna see? Yeah, I know.
You step in it and then I step in.
That's for today, guys.